Hello guys! Today I will tell you what you need to do first after installing the Ryzen 7000 processor. I have built a gaming PC where the CPU is Ryzen, which is considered to be quite hot CPU. And initially the computer turned off after 5 minutes of operation. The processor simply overheated, despite good cooling, which should have cooled it down. After searching the internet, I tried the option with cutting frequencies, setting the maximum temperature in the BIOS and much more. This helped, but not for long, and the processor overheated after 10 minutes of operation. After that, I found a solution that lies on the surface. To prevent your processor from overheating, you will need to update your BIOS to the latest version. Since I have an ASRock motherboard, I will show you where you can download it and show you the installation instruction.